data that helps us understand the origins of our solar system and identify potential future destinations for human explorers. These robotic missions are the scouts that map out the territory for the human pioneers who will follow. Looking ahead, the future of human space travel is filled with exciting possibilities. The next major destination on our map is Mars. Returning humans to the moon is seen as a critical stepping stone for this goal. NASA's Artemis program aims to establish a sustainable human presence on and around the moon, including a lunar base and an orbiting station called the Gateway. This will allow us to test the technologies and practice the procedures we will need for a much longer and more complex mission to the Red Planet. A journey to Mars will take months, not days, and will require new types of spacecraft, advanced life support, and protection from deep space radiation. The landscape of space travel is also changing thanks to the rise of private companies. Companies like SpaceX and Blue Origin are developing their own reusable rockets and spacecraft. This innovation is making access to space cheaper and more frequent than ever before. Reusable rockets, which can land themselves back on Earth after a launch, dramatically lower the cost of putting things and people into orbit. This new commercial space industry is not only supporting government missions to the ISS, but is also opening the door to new possibilities like space tourism, where private citizens could one day buy a ticket to experience space for themselves. But why does all of this matter? Why should we continue to invest time, money, and resources into pushing farther into space? The reasons are numerous. Space exploration drives technological innovation. Things developed for space, like GPS, improved medical imaging, and fire-resistant materials, often find their way into our everyday lives, making them better and safer. Pushing the boundaries of what is possible inspires the next generation of scientists, engineers, and dreamers. It encourages young people to pursue careers in science and technology, which is vital for solving problems here on Earth. Ultimately, space travel is about the future of humanity. It speaks to our innate desire to explore, to learn, and to grow. As a species, facing challenges together on a global scale, like building the ISS, helps to unite us. Looking beyond our own planet gives us a unique perspective on Earth, often called the overview effect. Astronauts who see our world from space describe a profound sense of its beauty, its fragility, and the lack of visible borders. It reminds us that we are all crewmates on this one small, precious spaceship called Earth, and that our potential to achieve great things is truly limitless.